In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Telegram Premium. By the end, you'll know how to get into Telegram, customize your app icon with exclusive premium styles, set a looping video as your profile picture, and manage or cancel your subscription from your device. I'll also share practical tips so everything looks great and works the way you expect. To start, open the Telegram app on your phone or the web or desktop version if that's what you use most. Make sure the app is up to date so premium features appear correctly. If you're new to premium, you'll find its options inside settings. Open settings from the menu and look for the Telegram Premium section. That's your hub for all the extra tools and personalization options. Let's personalize your home screen with premium app icons. From settings, go to Telegram Premium, then open premium app icons. You'll see a gallery of exclusive styles ranging from minimal to colorful and animated looks, depending on your device. Tap an icon to preview, then apply it to replace the standard Telegram icon on your home screen or app drawer. If you don't see the change right away, return to your home screen and swipe or refresh. Some launchers may need a moment to update. If the icon options aren't visible, double check that your premium subscription is active and your app is updated to the latest version. Now let's make your profile stand out with motion. Head back to settings, open edit profile, then choose set new photo video. Pick a short video or animated loop from your gallery or record a new one. Use the cropping and trimming tools to center your face and keep the motion subtle, then select a cover frame that will appear as the still preview in chats. You can mute the clip if there's background noise and adjust exposure so it looks crisp in both light and dark themes. Save your changes and your animated profile will play in your profile and gently loop in supported views. When you want to manage or cancel your subscription, open the Play Store on your Android device. Tap your account avatar, choose payments and subscriptions, then subscriptions and select Telegram. From there, you can view billing dates, switch plans, update your payment method, or cancel. If you cancel, premium features remain active until the end of the current billing period, and you won't be charged again. If you're on another platform, manage it through your device's App Store subscriptions in the same way. That's it. You've opened Telegram, customized premium app icons, set an animated profile, and learned how to manage your plan. Enjoy exploring the rest of Telegram Premium's perks at your own pace.